1. Introduction: the file I/O equivalence. In the previous lessons, we learned how to establish and terminate the connection to a file using fopen and fclose. Now that we have the file handle file pointer, we can actually move data. The C standard library provides functions that are almost identical to the standard console I/O functions you already know, but with one key difference. They require the file pointer as their first argument. Today we focus on fprintf, writing formatted data to a file; fscanf, reading formatted data from a file. 2. Writing to a file, the fprintf function. The fprintf function is used to write formatted output, like strings, integers, and floats, to the file pointed to by the file handle. You can image the prototype of fprintf function like the one on the screen. But if you want to see the actual prototype, you can see here. Next is key difference from printf function. The first argument is the file asterisk stream, our file handle. Instead of sending the output to the standard output, the console, it sends the output to the specified file. Next is code example. This code demos writing data. Let's write a few variables to a file named records.txt. When you open records.txt after running this program, you will see the exact line. ID 101, name Alice, score 95.50. Awesome, right? So, how to write many lines? And so how to append a line or many lines to an exist file. Three. Reading from a file, the fscanf function. The fscanf function is used to read formatted data from the file pointed to by the file handle. It reads until a whitespace character, a matching data type, or the end of the file is reached. You may image the prototype like the one on the screen, but if you want to see the actual one, you can see here. So, what is the key difference from the scanf? Again, the first argument is the file asterisk stream. It takes input from the specified file instead of the standard input, the keyboard. Next, we have a code example. This code demos reading data. Now, let's read the data we just wrote. Note that we must open the file in read mode, R. So, how to read many lines? 4. fscanf return value, end of file OF. The fscanf function is crucial because it returns the number of items successfully read. If you expect to read 3 integers, and fscanf returns 3, the read was successful. If you are at the end of the file, EOF, and try to read, fscanf returns the special constant EOF, end of file. This feature is typically used in a loop to read every line in a file. 5. Conclusion and next steps. You have now learned the complete cycle of basic file management. Declare the handle, file pointer, open the stream, using file pointer and fopen function. Perform use fprintf to write or fscanf to read. Close the stream. Call fclose function and pass file pointer to it. This action is to save and release resources. This concludes our theoretical lessons on file management. Our next session is 8.4. Exercises, no answers.